So let us start with what is mathematics. Learning the meaning of mathematics definitely enhances our thinking and perceptions. So learning what is mathematics is important. We too believe that the subject mathematics is developed from those people who don't know what is mathematics. In other words, the people who cannot definitely say what is mathematics have contributed more to the mathematics. For example, Aristotle, a philosopher, said mathematics is the science of quantities and their measurements. Discrete quantities are treated with arithmetic and continuous quantities are treated with geometry. So here the important thing is mathematics is considered as a science. So learning mathematics is considered as science activity. Another one, Benjamin Peirce defines mathematics as a science that draws necessary conclusions. So he think mathematics is more advanced than playing with numbers or doing arithmetic or geometry and all those things. So mathematics is little bit advanced in this case. Now you take another definition of Bernard Shaw, which says that all mathematics is a symbolic logic. Mathematics is a symbolic logic. So here mathematics comes very nearer to the reasoning. That is, mathematics includes reasoning in this case, in spite of what we call playing with numbers. So here mathematics have added or logic is added to the mathematics. In this case, Bernard Shaw says that mathematics is a symbolic logic. But most of the learners treat mathematics as the science that deals with numbers, quantities, space and reasons. Of course, mathematics is still treated as a science, but modern mathematics sees mathematics as the mental activity which is inductive and effective. So here in modern times mathematics is treated as mental activity. So there are two considerations. One, in the first case, mathematics is treated as a science or scientific activity, and another one, here we are considering mathematics as the mental activity, and in the next stage mathematics will be treated as a language which deals with numbers and reasons. In other words, learning mathematics is treated as a language activity. I tell you, here also we teach mathematics as a language activity. In other words, we know that a scientific activity includes beginning, initial beginning, and there are building blocks which construct the entire subject. In other words, ಒಂದು ಗಿಡವನ್ನು ನೆಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳೆಸಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲು ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ, ಆನಂತರ ಗಿಡವನ್ನು ನೆಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆನಂತರ ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. So there are certain sequence of activities which have some method, which follow a strict method in case of scientific activities. But in case of mental activity, which purely depends on perceptions and thinking, pattern of perceptions and thinking. So mental activities more advanced than the scientific activities, and language activities more advanced than both the scientific activity and mental activity. So we were considering mathematics as the language activity. And now we shall discuss about the branches of mathematics. There are three main branches of mathematics. One is analysis, geometry, and another one is algebra. There are three main branches of mathematics: analysis, geometry, and algebra. And other branches of maths are derived from these branches. Of course, one cannot set a strict margin between these. There are interplay ideas between these subjects, and it has developed in a vast sense. And initially we may see that algebra deals with rules and structures, geometry deals with space and scales to measure, and analysis is considered at the heart of the mathematics, which deals with some kind of properties, like continuity, differentiation, etc. But however, modern mathematics is divided into two branches. One is pure mathematics and applied mathematics. But whatever be the meaning of mathematics or branches of the mathematics, initially mathematics is developed from sets. ಗಣಿತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಗಣ ಅಂದರೆ ಗುಂಪು, ಸೆಟ್. ಈತ ಅಂದರೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು, ಸೊ ಗಣದಿಂದ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇಂತೇವೆ ಗಣಿತ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ originally mathematics is developed from sets. So we started our discussion or learning of mathematics from the sets. We define a set as a collection of well-defined distinct objects. Set as a collection of well-defined distinct objects, and set can be represented by two methods. One is called as property method and another one is called as a tabulation method or listing method. In the property method, we refer a set by the property common to all the elements of a set, and in case of tabulation method or listing method, we list all the elements of the set. So however, a set is denoted by big letters of alphabets. Now we talk about the subsets. Let A be sets such that every element of E is an element of B, then A is a subset of B. In other words, A is said to be a subset of B if every element of X belongs to B. That is, for any X contained in A implies X contained in B, then we say that A is a subset of B. And we can compare two sets. That is, A is a subset of B. A is called as a smaller set, B is called as bigger set. And two sets A and B are said to be equal if and only if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. In other words, two sets are equal only when they contain equal number of elements and also same elements.